welcome to my channel. And with me, it's my wife, my two kids, our Indian friend in bar, and we are now approaching Abu Dhabi. I think we are in Abu Dhabi already, and the speed limit here is 140 kilometers per hour. And so far, we're doing good, more than 100 kilometers per hour. Very nice roads. Very delicious cars. Not delicious. Ang tawag nun, Cholo, sino? Very good looking cars. Yummy cars. So, we'll go to the mosque. Very religious structure in Abu Dhabi. Joke lang po. Napatawa lang. Welcome to the beauty of Abu Dhabi. We're now in Abu Dhabi. We are 120 to 130 kilometers per hour. Bilog.
What's the circle building?
Yeah, this one Aldar. In the offices.
Offices.
Yeah.
Evergotesco. Ito.
It's hotel ba? It's kasi yes, island.
Abu Dhabi. Oil refineries.
The signboard is Abu
Signboard.
Dhabi only.
Abu Dhabi only. Oh no, okay, it's okay. Abu Dhabi only. Elite ano siya, green. Green, lots of ano.
Pero mababa.
So we're in warning, road is monitored by radar. Kali.
Philippine Airlines.
Wow, Philippine Airlines.
Bus, look.
Buses. Philippine Airlines.
Manila.
So this is Abu Dhabi. Shangri-La Hotel.
This is the Sheikh Zayed, from first president from UAE.
First president.
Yeah. Take the picture right side, in the Al Sheikh Zayed Bridge.
The famous bridge here.
Yeah, very nice. Look at here in the view, right side. Look at the right side.
Yes, nice.
Look in the future. This is the fuel in the petroleum.
Okay.
Nice bridge.
Left side in the mosque, Abu Dhabi Grand Mosque,
Abu Dhabi Grand Mosque.
Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. This is the Abu Dhabi in the toll gate.
It's the toll gate for Abu Dhabi.
Nawala na yung goma.
So this is Abu Dhabi. Are you awake? Ano sila ilin, no? Green? Grass?
It's nice, eh?
Nice.
Abu Dhabi, Dubai, only building.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not good. It's in the all in the dates. See?
Those are dates?
Yeah. Wait, where?
Ano yung dates?
Yan, yan.
Yung photo yan?
Mm.
Those are dates?
Kaya pala sila dates kasi
Marami pala.
daming. Dito sa atin, coconut.
Coconut from India.
Yeah, no, they have coconut in the Philippines.
You know,
Too many coconuts.
Take the picture here.
Mhm.
Nice, beautiful place.
Picture mo ngayon. From afar.
Wow, very big.
And then
Yung pinakamagandang part na
inside in the mosque, only one carpet, no join. Okay, or no join, only one carpet only.
Okay.
Oh, Bashir still front side, eh?
Okay. Ganda, oh.
Ay,
Ganda ng mosque.
so, yan. Ay, hindi pala siya.
Yeah, full stop. No. Oh. Yeah,
I have.
full.
Wait. Yeah, I can cover the whole of it. Saan ang
You in the.
We're entering the mosque. Wow. Look at the mosque. Very beautiful.
May Big Boss din? Big Boss Abu Dhabi siguro. Abaya pa na. Takot sa sinusunod.
Hanap kami, bababa kami.
Naka-shorts na yung mga lalaki. Pero ba shorts?
Baka kaya sila dito kasi Mr. Pinapapasok.
Papunta pa lang.
You will pick us up again? Oh, it's Bashir.
Yeah.
Sino kaya ang guest niya?
Tayo sa mosque. So, hindi ko na kung pupuntahan namin dito.
خب آسیب کوچه چیکار می‌کنی؟
We're going down. A mall. Mall siya. Sa mall near the mosque. Meron din palang mall dito.
Sabi ko, Mos, ang tapat mall pa rin.
Oo, may moso.
Kaya sabi ko mo,
May moso. Kasi loob. Ito ano.
ito pala yung meeting place natin.
Okay, ito may mall sa loob. Gila tayo dito sa mosque. Uy, gumanon. Hipila tayo dito sa mosque.
No flag. No flag.
Ano, flag?
His t-shirt has flag.
Oo. Sa dami namang mga flag pa. So, napagalita si Chino, bawal daw ang flag. So, we're getting inside. Come? Within. Okay. Okay, let's go inside. Tayo sa mall. Sa tapat ng mosque. Marami nagbebenta dito ng damit. Dami. Okay?
This one. Only I have this one. Only.
Mosque manners. Okay. Meron tayo nakapila. Pila tayo dito sa mosque. Uy. Gumanon. Nakapila tayo dito sa mosque.
No flag. No flag.
Ano flag?
This t-shirt has flag.
Oo. Sa dami namang mga flag pa. So, napagalita si Chino, bawal daw ang flag. So, we're getting inside. Come? Within.
Okay.
Okay, let's go inside.
Sir, flash your camera.
What's your camera? Yeah. Okay, di tayo pwede mag-camera. Princess, oh. Puti, no? Puti, yung princess. Diyan sa tapat. Wow, ang ganda, oh. Princess, oh. Puti, no? Puti, yung princess. Diyan sa tapat. Wow, ang ganda, oh. Going out. This is Abu Dhabi Mall dito. Tabi ng mosque.
YouTube channel. YouTube channel.
Yeah, YouTube. Yung ceiling. Sa mosque. Mimili lang, at least nakita nyo na yung mall.
Do you know what language is that? Shukriya.
Kain na muna kami sa labas. Puro rito. Queue. Haba. Medyo po na rin kami kasi galing sa loob. Ito yung mosque. grandeur of Abu Dhabi. Ganda. Parang sa atin Manila Cathedral. Lamig. Sa Abu Dhabi init. Pero di nakakapasok.
Ay, sino ang trabaho?
Ayun siya.